Right, so I should probably teach you how to take these door trims off. So there's 2 screws in the handle, and this just twists out of the way like that. You need to pop the surround off your door locking thing. I need to connect this up, so it's good. Pop the surround off your door handle, and then around the outside there's all these little like Christmas tree little plastic fittings that just push in, so you just need to get like a thin screwdriver and gently get in between and pry all them off, and then the door card will come off. So you got to be careful though, because the door cards are pretty old, and those little plastic clips that are stuck in the back of it snap off very, very easily. So alright, so door trim's off. Now I'm going to try and take this glass out. So from memory, I'm pretty sure you need to undo these bolts, and then the window regulator, it's on these little rails. Can't remember if the window has to be all the way up or all the way down. I'll figure that out, I guess, while I'm trying to do it. It's either going to work or not, and I need to slide the window off the rails and then get it out. I'll probably have to take this little window rubber off on the outside, but we'll give it a crack and we'll see how we go. One thing to note is, to get your window in the correct spot, you need to mark where these bolts go. You want to have those in the exact position as how they were before, otherwise you're gonna have issues with the rigging of the window. So let's do it and see what happens. Yeah, cool. So we had to go all the way down with the window to get it out, so I could get it off the rails. So this is the bottom rail, so those 2 bolts that I undid before was the bottom rail. Then once you get that out, obviously you've got some slop in it, so you can tilt the window and stuff like that. And then once we went all the way down, I was able to tilt the window, get it out of the rails, and then slide it out gently through the gap. So installation is going to be the reverse, isn't it, Reese?
That's right. One window out.
I drive alone tonight. There is no one in sight. I've got no things to do but to think of you, and I can see your face, your finger on the glass that's drawing circles on my
Alright, so once you slide your window into the door, what you want to do first is you want to get your rear rail in. So you got your guide, get it into the rail, simultaneously do the front one. As you can see here, there's just a little plastic bit on the bottom of the window regulator. Slide that into the rail, but paying attention to making sure you got the front of the glass into the channel. at the front. If you have it kicked off either side, it won't work. So make sure that's done at the same time. It's a bit of a juggling act. You got to hold your tongue in the right position, but trust me, you can do it. Once you do that, slide the door up a little bit and get your first bolt in. Get your first bolt in here after you get your channel in. And then you can see here, I just need to line this bolt hole up with the mark that I've put here. And once I do that and tighten it, the window's in and it'll go up and down. Alright, so I got my bolts all tight, everything's in, silicone sprayed. Let's test her out. Brendan, please. Cool, tinted glass. Done, it works. Thank you very much, Brendan. Cool, handles on, just 2 screws, and the front part just boom, put it in vertically like that and twist it down. And then these bits just clip in. Cool, done. It's a bit dirty, worn, but you get that on the big jobs. So that's how you change your window glass. So I have 3 more windows to do. Lucky me, but that's life. Ciao. So you're probably thinking to yourself, why is he changing glass in this car? Well, I took glass out of that car to go in this car because this is not tinted and that was super dark and I had to get it regoed and they didn't like it. But now I'm changing it back because I need to put glass in that so I can pressure wash it and clean it, and at the moment it's got no windows in it. So we're putting the glass back to their rightful homes, which is important. Tinted windows back in. Done.